Hello everyone, myself Prashant Sadaphule, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Engineering of All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In today's session, we will learn UML relationships. The contents for today's session are relationships in the UML, and in detail we'll see the four relationships, that is dependency, association, generalization and realization. Now let's start relationships in the UML. Relationships depict a connection between several things such as structural, behavioral or grouping things in the unified modeling language. Since it is termed as a link, it demonstrates how things are interrelated to each other at the time of system execution. UML consists of four types of relationships, that is dependency, association, generalization and realization. Now let's see first relationship, that is dependency relationship. A dependency is a semantic relationship. Now semantic means change in the meaning of one thing may affect the change in the meaning of another thing. A dependency is a semantic relationship between two things in which a change to one thing, that is independent thing, may affect the semantic of the other thing, that is dependent thing. Graphically, a dependency is rendered as a dashed line, possibly directed and occasionally including a label. So see here, this is the graphical notation for dependency relationship, that is dashed directed line. The next second type of relationship, that is association. An association is a structural relationship that describes a set of links, a link being a connection among objects. Now structural relationship means it is the relationship, it is used to just connect two elements or two things. Aggregation is a special kind of association representing a structural relationship between a whole and its parts. Graphically, an association is rendered as a solid line, possibly directed, occasionally including a label and often containing other adornment such as multiplicity and role names. Now see, this is the notation for association relationship. It is just solid line. On this, here two adornments are there, that is multiplicity and role names. Now let's see third type of relationship, that is generalization. A generalization is a specialization generalization relationship in which object of the specialized element, that is child element, are substitutable for objects of the generalized element, that is parent element. In this way, the child share the structure and the behavior of the parent, that is child inherits the properties of parent element. Graphically, a generalization relationship is rendered as a solid line with hollow arrowhead pointing towards the parent. Now see here, this is the notation for generalization relationship. It is line with hollow arrowhead, and this arrowhead always points towards the parent element. Now last relationship, that is realization. A realization is a semantic relationship between classifiers wherein one classifier specifies a contract that another classifier guarantee to carry out. Now this realization relationship will encounter at only two places, that is in between interface and the class or component that realize them, and second place, that is in between use case and the collaboration that realizes them. Graphically, a realization relationship is rendered as a cross between generalization and dependency relationship. So, see, this is the notation for realization, and it is cross between generalization and dependency relationship. So, this is dashed directed line, and this arrowhead is the hollow arrowhead. Now, this is all about the relationships. In UML, we have four types of relationships, that is dependency, association, generalization, and realization. Okay, thank you.